Hi, my name is Dario. I'm part of Solutions Architecture team here at 𝗥𝗲𝗃𝗃, and today I will show you how you can easily migrate an application, more precisely a financial trading application, from MongoDB to TigerDB in Tiger Cloud via Claude Code in a two-step process. This applies both to application layer changes as well as migrating data itself. So we have application up and running. Here we should be able to alter between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And we should be able to see trading volumes as well, and the most recent open, high, low, close data. With that up and running, it's time for next prompt of moving over this data to Tiger Data Postgres, Tiger Cloud. So let us just make sure that we are using the right convention here. I just want to make sure that I'm using the proper naming. So here we have the open, high, low, close trading app. Using this. Now that the open, high, low, close trading app has been created using Mongo, React, and Python, help me migrate over this data from MongoDB as a source to Tiger Data Postgres DB target with the following connection string. This is great because it's already creating the skeleton schema that we're going to be using to migrate over the data, along with the insert statement and so on. It is also leveraging the Postgres materialized views that we can easily modify to continuous aggregates in Tiger Data. You can also notice that this is live sync dashboard on the right hand side through the portal, so data is constantly being added. Okay, great. So we have also the Postgres schema that can easily be converted into the hypertable format. And it gives us post-migration tasks as well, as such as continuous aggregates, data retention, performance monitoring available in Tiger Cloud. And it is also giving us some of the advantages of this migration to Tiger Cloud. This has now been completed, and we're going to be following the migration guide from the top. We are continuing with the migration guide from MongoDB to PostgreSQL. Meanwhile, we can see that Docker is running and the ohlc trading dashboard is constantly being updated with new data points. Migration to Postgres. Here are some prerequisites. Here is the migration architecture. First thing we're going to do, we're going to connect to the Postgres in the Tiger Cloud. Okay, so one final check. So we have the migration folder with Docker file and requirements. Migrate Mongo to DB is missing. Another check. So Docker file, requirements, and migrate Mongo to DB. In the backend folder, there is like a Docker file Postgres, requirements Postgres, and main Postgres. And in the main folder, this is an extra that we're gonna get rid of. Okay, so let us now start MongoDB source for migration. Container is running. So while we are waiting for this, let's see. The migration will connect to both Mongo and Postgres in Tiger Cloud, extract tickers and open, high, low, close data from MongoDB, transform data for Postgres schema, load the data in batches, verify the migration comparing the record counts, refresh materialized views for statistics. So as it is running, we'll now log into my Tiger Cloud and check the service. So here we see that we already are loading some data. So let's go to the Explorer. So if we check the public schema, we should be able to see the open, high, low, close data in a hypertable format and a ticker data in a plain vanilla Postgres format. Going back to cryptocurrency migration guide, we now need to update our backend to use Postgres. These files are already present in our backend folder. So let us then start. So that said, I'm just gonna double check something. So let's go to desktop. Let us go to open, high, low trading app, and let us go to backend. ls, and we can see that the files were already there. So we have the main Postgres py, we have requirements Postgres text and Docker file Postgres as well. Start the new Postgres SQL powered application. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll go back to the source folder. So let's go ahead and do that. Great. So the backend running on Postgres is now up and running, and let's check our application. And dashboard just got updated, running on Postgres. I have just demonstrated how to use Claude Code to simplify the migration from NoSQL to SQL Postgres database, or more precisely, TigerDB target. You can find all the supporting documentation and the example prompts used in this demo in the description below. Finally, if you would like to try this out by yourself, I invite you to create a free account with us with the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.